Welcome back, everybody. Today on Pressure Crisp, we're going to be making the, what's it called again? The chicken Caesar taco. So, couldn't find ground chicken, so I found ground turkey. We're using that. And I picked up a bag of the Caesar salad kit, because that kit includes the dressing, seasoning, Parmesan cheese, and the croutons. And we're going to use all this. And you also need, this isn't exactly round, but it's a 8-inch taco shell. You can use the street tacos if you want. I'm just using the air fryer. We're going to make this in the air fryer today. So let's just jump right in. All right, so we're going to take those croutons, put them in a sandwich bag, seal it. Let's get that out of the way. And we're just going to crush this up. You can put this in like a little food processor. I'm not doing that. There we go. Just going to put that off to the side for right now. Turkey packet. I prefer beef so much, but we're doing this. So I don't know how much to use, so I'm just going to grab a little handful here. And we're going to they said put a thin layer on here. This does not feel like ground beef. A little bit more. This is going to make a Whopper sized one. Maybe I should use the street tacos next time. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below on what you think I should do. So I bring all the way up to the sides, it said. Okay. A little bit of pepper. And we're going to use a little bit of salt. And we're going to use that seasoning packet. That smells pretty good. So we're just going to use not a lot. Okay, there we go. Now, this is what's going to make it a little different than most recipes. Let me clean up my mess here. We're going to take some of those croutons, spread them on there. Oh, that's right, don't whistle, Liz, don't whistle. Now I'm just going to slightly press them into the meat. We'll save the rest. We're also going to take, actually, because I don't feel like cleaning up a big mess here. Take some avocado oil, and you're going to spray those breadcrumbs. And we're going to pop it into the air fryer. We're going to use air fry. I think I'm going to keep it on 385, and I'm going to keep it on 10 minutes, but I'm going to keep track of it. I am going to hit shake just for a reminder to come look at this in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look-see here. Oh, yeah, look at that. I don't think it's done yet, but we're going to... let it cook. So we're going to say this is done. It took 6 minutes at 385 in the air fryer. Just dip. I'm just dropping off some of the stuff on the sides here. So there it is. Let me shut it off right there. Just for fun, I just want to do a quick temp on this. I just want to make sure it's 165. It's kind of hard here. Yep. Now I am going to take a paper towel because I did notice a little bit of grease. Next time I'd probably get the 90. I think this is 85%. So there we go. Well, this actually smells really good right now. So I am going to take some of that cheese, put it right on there. Put as much or as little as you want. And just going to take the bag salad because it's already chopped up and ready to rock and roll for you. You can actually chop it into smaller pieces which I would probably recommend because this is kind of big. Yeah, so we're just going to tear it. There we go. Once again, you can put as little or as much dressing on as you want. So, I mean lettuce, excuse me. Next up, just going to use the prepared dressing and just hit it. Oh, I thought I hit it. Hold on, let me cut this again. Just going to hit it with the dressing. And once again, use as little or as much as you want. Then if you want a little bit of extra crunch, just add some croutons. Oh yeah. Then, good luck with this part. You're going to pick it up and eat it. We're going to get prepared for this. Paper towels. This is so much fun. All right. But definitely for lunch, I'd probably do a street taco. This is more like dinner size. Oh yeah, look at this. Hang on. It's going to make a mess. Here goes nothing. This is good. I somehow would prefer to use chicken. It's not bad, but I prefer chicken. But this is really, really good. Thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned. I was talking with my mouthful. Stay tuned for more videos and just kitchen ideas. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care.